Alright, we're going to be doing an audio test with these headphones by plugging it into my phone and playing my audio test file with 4 different genres of music. And the reason I do that is that if these headphones can reproduce the sounds in those 4 different songs in a pretty good manner, then I know that these headphones will probably be able to reproduce the ambient sounds around me picked up by its own microphone in a pretty realistic and accurate manner. So what I'm also going to do is let you listen in on what I'm hearing by taking off my own microphone and putting it into one of the ear cups. So we'll start with the human voice in a cappella. Will rise and will roar like true British sailors. Alright, so overall it sounded pretty good. The only thing it didn't sound that great was the club or the house music mix. The bass response was rather weak and tepid with these headphones. So these certainly are not real true like audio quality in terms of the bass response. Certainly not as good as a balanced Sony set of headphones, and nowhere near the super bassy Beats or Bose style headsets. But overall, pretty good.